Welcome to the future of test automation, Zaptest AI, your ultimate AI-powered solution designed to streamline, simplify, and revolutionize software testing from start to finish. At the core of Zaptest AI is Plan Studio, a powerful tool that transforms test case management. Seamlessly import test cases from application lifecycle management tools and instantly access them in a clean, intuitive format with options for sorting, filtering, and viewing. Traditional test automation can feel overwhelming, but Plan Studio simplifies everything. By automatically identifying reusable elements like functional areas, input-output parameters, and repeated steps, it creates efficient, reusable modules, saving time and cutting effort. Once your test cases are ready, let Copilot take automation to the next level. This intelligent assistant transforms your test cases into execution-ready scripts with minimal effort. By working with object repositories, parameterized data, and AI-driven precision, Copilot ensures your scripts are prepared to run on your application quickly and efficiently. Avoid repetitive tasks with streamlined automation and rapid scripting. Adopting new tools can feel risky, but with our 6-month no-risk proof of concept, trying Zaptest AI is completely worry-free. Explore the platform's power, validate the results, and see the ROI before making a long-term commitment. Why Zaptest AI? Plan Studio simplifies test case management, enabling teams to organize and optimize test cases effortlessly. Copilot accelerates script creation, eliminating repetitive tasks and ensuring scripts are ready for execution with no human interaction. 6-month no-risk POC removes the guesswork, letting you experience the platform's value before committing. You will have ZAP Expert support during your POC. Save time, cut costs, achieve 10x ROI. Zaptest AI empowers your team to automate smarter and faster, transforming how you approach test automation. Experience the future of test automation firsthand. Book your demo now and let's zap.